Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Xmate Juno corded and cordless beard trimmer. It's a very well designed package. There's a green and yellow scheme over here. It also comes with some illustrations on the side. I don't know if you can see them. I'll try to get it closer to, yeah, there you see. There's some lovely illustrations over here as well. There is some information on it as well, like this is 100% waterproof, which is great, and has 0.4 millimeters of precision. It's also pretty spectacular. So more information at the back. I'll get it closer to the camera so you can get a better view. So this particular device has a battery capacity of 2600 mAh, work time about 70 minutes, charge time 1.5 hours. Blade has 32 millimeter stainless steel and has IPX6 waterproof rating. It also comes with a 1 meter USB cord and has adjustable levels, 17 adjustable levels, so we'll take a look at them. That's about it. Let's open this and see what the trimmer actually looks like. This is the instruction manual for the trimmer. You can see the Xmate logo. So a lot of illustrations and diagrams and steps that you need to take a look at. You need to read this at least once before you start using this. This seems to be a warranty or a registration card. I'm going to leave this here as well. What do we have next? This is the charging cable for the trimmer, 1 meter long charging cable. This is the cleaning fluid. I'm going to remove this. It seems to be leaking. And this is the cleaning brush. I'll leave this here. So let's quickly take a look at the trimmer itself. This is a massive trimmer. It's heavy as well, has quite a bit of a weight. It's quite sturdy actually, looks very sturdy, durable, and has a sleek design to it, very sleek form factor, has some anti-grip textures going on around the dial. This is the power button. Motor seems to be pretty powerful. This is a detachable comb as expected, and this is the metal head, which I am sure is the trimmer head, which I'm sure is removable. Let's give it a shot. Please get removed. Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, there you go. It does get removed. Makes it easier to wash. I'm going to put this back in. Just there you go. Put the comb back in as well. There you go. Notice the Xmate logo over here and the dial that can be accessed from the top and the bottom. It's a great feature. That's a good thing. The length setting starts from 0.4 millimeters and extends to 10. That's it. That's all you will find inside the box containing the Xmate Juno corded and cordless beard trimmer. Thank you for watching.